If you are wondering if Motorola Edge 70 Pro supports wireless charging, if you are wondering if you can use a wireless charger in order to charge Motorola Edge 70 Pro, then the answer is yes. If you place your phone on top of a wireless charger, then as you can see, it will immediately start charging the phone. Now, it seems that the phone can be charged wirelessly using 15 watts or 10 watts at most, which is not that much. And apparently it is region dependent, so in some regions it is supposed to be 15 watts, in some regions it is supposed to be 10 watts. So I'm not entirely sure what is the list of countries, or if there is any list of countries in which there is clear disclaimer which countries have 15 and which ones have 10. But I'm pretty sure you should be able to check out Motorola's websites and try to find the page of Motorola Edge 70 Pro, and then in specifications there should be information about the maximum amount of watts that the phone can use to charge the battery. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.